GE South Asia, we are committed towards making GE workplace more inclusive, diverse, and equitable. We have three focused pillars: Pride Alliance, Disability Advocacy Network, and our own GE Women's Network. We have strong leadership teams driving the strategies and priorities. And these ERG groups partner with regional businesses to drive efforts focused on these three priorities. Leadership support is important to drive change in culture and policies. At GE, we are blessed to have a strong leadership team, which believes in making our GE culture more inclusive. The three ERGs work closely with business leaders, drive engagement, and the desired changes in beginning of the year. Each ERG lead meets business leaders, firm up priorities, and then there are quarterly, weekly, monthly reviews to track the progress. Details of initiatives are broadly discussed with leadership team. We have to get their buy-in to make all initiatives successful. As I mentioned, we have three focused pillars. These three pillars plan the initiatives and activities that they want to drive throughout the year. We have diverse initiatives, that we ran during 2021, which, range from DNE awareness, empowerment to allyship programs. To name few such initiatives, under our Pride pillar, the Pride team led the celebration of the first ever Pride Month in the South Asia region. The campaign garnered and accumulated 200K impressions and approximately 400K engagements across all the channels. Under Women's Network pillar, which is our gender pillar, the team organized She Inspires and Sopath, which are learning series, which basically, our journey of self-discovery, where we saw 700 plus employee participation. And these series were open to all, all employees, including our men workforce. Disability Advocacy Network target milestone of physical infrastructure accessibility, IT accessibility, and policies and procedures for abled employees was achieved and celebrated. We also recently celebrated 3rd December as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Definitely, yes. The initiatives taken have encouraged all our employees to come forward and raise their voice. They feel valued and accepted. We recently concluded Belong 2021 conclave, and this was scheduled from 16th to 18th November, open to all employees. The 3-day conclave was an opportunity to listen and learn, recognize and celebrate across the three diversity pillars in GE South Asia, which are Pride Alliance, Disability Advocacy Network, and Women's Network. We had a power-packed agenda that represented our journey so far, and our intent across the three pillars of gender, sexual orientation, and abilities had overwhelming participation and encouraging feedback from all our employees. We recently, and I think this is the best time, maybe the appropriate time to share that, we did a white paper study on women in operations. A research was commissioned by GE and it was conducted by Avatar, our partner, during the month of September and October 2021. And, an interview almost covering 500 professional, both women and men, was done in women engineering students, business and HR leaders in operations, manufacturing and engineering sectors in India, across different organizations. This study provides us and our peer companies specific directions to improve gender diversity in operations, manufacturing, and engineering project managements. And I would really want to highlight, quickly some key takeaways that came out of the study. One, women want to play a bigger role in Make in India. They have that desire to make that mark. Around 84.4% men believe manufacturing operations and engineering service sector would benefit from employing more women. What an ally, from our male colleagues. 55.7% of men said that they were ready to help create women-friendly work environments and willing to volunteer as mentors to women employees. Both men, around 64%, and women, around 62%, almost in the same ratio, felt the biggest motivation to work in these sectors was the opportunity to learn and upskill on the job. So, this research clearly says that the women in India are ready to take up next roles, provided they have good opportunities that come their way. And good part is men are ready to help them in whatever possible way they can. Well, I understand that organizations are doing their little bit. Many organizations have focus on D&I. But what I really want to advise is, the organizations, they need to understand and believe that key is to start and start right away. Irrespective of your headcount, budget, readiness, to include D&I, we have to start. We understand that there is a lot of work to be done, but we need to design impactful steps. Impactful D&I will require a balance of small and bold initiatives. Now, some quick steps that we can take are convert all job descriptions to gender neutral language. No need to mention he, she, let's make it more gender neutral. Explicitly request a diverse range of referrals so that the HR leaders, business leaders, they have a variety to choose from. And definitely the final selection would be based on the merit, but having a wide range of, shortlisted candidates gives an opportunity to all employees, all the people there. Display and reiterate. I think this is very important. The leadership team, the organizations, at all times, they have to display and reiterate their commitment towards D&I. And this can be through posters, through blogs, or through their company channels, through communications. But there has to be, I would say, a regular update, a regular reiteration of our commitment. And last but not the least, what I believe is, the top business leadership team, their involvement is definitely, of utmost importance. Because when a lot of things, when they come from top down, the buy-in becomes so easy, and then execution, implementation also becomes seamless. Top level buyers are, as I said, mission critical for D&I efforts to succeed. The leaders should include D&I on the agenda in company-wide meetings and get personally involved through sharing articles, tweeting about steps company is taking. I'm sure this will result in everyone feeling encouraged. Thank you.